Are you ready to transform your living spaces into stunning showcases of style and creativity? Hi friends, welcome back to Decor Catalog. Join us on a journey through the world of decor as we explore innovative ideas, inspiring designs, and practical tips to elevate your home. In our decor catalog, you will find a treasure trove of inspiration from chic minimalistic aesthetics to vibrant bohemian flares. Whether you are a dye enthusiast or simply looking to refresh your surroundings, we have got something for everyone. In today's video, I am going to show you modern concepts of pergola designs. Modern pergolas have evolved from traditional garden structures into versatile outdoor living spaces that enhance both aesthetic and functionality. These structures are designed to provide shade and shelter while seamlessly integrating with contemporary architectural styles. They can be made from various materials including wood, metal, and vinyl, allowing for customizations to suit personal preferences and environmental conditions. The design of modern pergolas emphasizes clean lines and minimalism. Unlike their ornate procedures, contemporary pergolas often feature geometric shapes and a streamlined appearance. Many modern designs incorporate features such as lowered roof, which allow for adjustable sunlight and ventilation, making them adaptable to changing weather conditions. Additionally, the use of mixed materials such as combining wood with metal ensures add a unique touch, creating a visual striking contrast that enhancing outdoor space. Modern pergolas are not just decorative, they serve a variety of functional purposes. They can act as a focal point in gardens, patios, or decks, providing a defined areas for relaxation and entertainment. Many homeowners chose to add outdoor furniture, lighting, and even heating elements, transforming pergolas into year-round living spaces. Furthermore, they can be equipped with retractable screens or curtains for added privacy and protection from the element, making them suitable for any season. A key concept of modern pergola design is integration with surrounding landscaping. By strategically placing pergolas among plants, flowers, and water features, they can enhance the overall ambience of a garden. Combining plants such as wisteria or jasmine can be trained to grow on the structure, adding natural beauty and fragrance. This connection to the nature not only creates a serene environment but also promotes biodiversity by providing habitats for various species. In today's environmentally conscious world, modern pergolas are often designed with sustainability in mind. Many manufacturers offer eco-friendly materials such as reclaimed wood or recycled metal, which reduce the carbon footprint of the structure. Additionally, incorporating solar panels into the design can provide renewable energy for lighting or heating, further enhancing the sustainability of outdoor spaces. These considerations make modern pergolas a responsible choice for homeowners looking to minimize their environmental impact. Modern pergolas represent a harmonious blend of style, functionality, and sustainability. They enhance outdoor living areas, providing comfort and beauty while allowing for personalizations and creativity. As outdoor space continue to gain importance in home design, modern pergolas will undoubtedly remain a popular choice for homeowners seeking to elevate their outdoor experience. I hope this video is very helpful for you. If you like this video, then please don't forget to subscribe my channel for more interesting videos like this. Thank you.